Hey, what's going on, guys? I know it's been a while since I made a video. I just want to do a little review on this Harbor Freight Vulcan welding cart they have. This is the bigger model that holds dual bottles, so I can carry my 75-25 and my straight argon on there instead of having to switch bottles around. Pretty nice feature. This cart is built extremely heavy. I think it weighs 300 pounds, somewhere in that range, 250, with nothing on it, so it's built heavy. A couple things I like about it, and a couple things I don't like about it, and probably some extra things I'm going to do to it to make some changes to it. But like one thing is, it comes with this little grid system here that goes in this top drawer. And I guess it's nice, but it doesn't fit real tight. Maybe you might want to put a mat or something underneath it to keep all your tips and whatnot from rolling around. But I keep all my cups and my collets and extra tungsten and stuff in these little plastic bins, which they fit good in there, so that's a little easier for me. It's got big deep drawers. That's real nice. Yeah, it's got 3 of them on there. And then this one here folds up, and you could put extra spools of wire or hood or something in there if you wanted to. Then you got this big cabinet area. It opens up. It's got a lot of storage, really. That was my big deal. I wanted to get everything. And I'm still putting stuff in there and whatnot. But one thing I don't like about it is if you put your machines on here long ways like that, then, for instance, on this MIG machine, this cord, if you don't drape it all the way over to the side, you can't open that door right there, which maybe have to end up moving it down to that side. But I'm planning on putting a Lincoln Precision TIG 275 on here, and I think I'm probably going to cheap out and get the Eastwood VersaCut plasma cutter and put on there. But then it's got hooks here to hold extra leads. It's got it on the back too, hold some more leads. On the back it's got a holder for your TIG wire. This is another kind of thing I don't really like about it is, for instance, it won't hold the big 10-pound holders of TIG wire, which is, I'm probably going to look in there and see if I can open these holes up a little bit more to make it hold that. And then another thing I'm probably going to do is I think I'm going to add probably a 3-way type air hose connector, probably like one of those shower head types. I'm thinking about adding that on here or maybe on the back somewhere. That way I can just plug the whole cart in. I can run die grinders and whatever off of it, or plasma cutter when I put one on there. That's another thing I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to add on the back 3 electrical outlets, and then have the cart have its own cord, so when I plug it in, then all my machines can be plugged in. Now I'd never run all 3 at the same time, but just that way I don't have to, if I could, depends on what I'm doing. Because see, I have one big 220 cord that will go from one end to the other to my shop, so that way I always can get where I need to go. But I think I'm going to put 3 plugs on the back so I can plug everything in at one time, and then not have to worry about unplugging and plugging back in. But other than that, it's a good cart. It rolls good. Man, I've kind of cleaned up in here a little bit, but before then there were zip ties and metal scraps on the floor, and it just rolled over them. I mean, it rolls good. It's a good cart. I think it's gonna work out a lot better, considering my old cart came with the first machine that I'd ever bought when I was 15 years old. So I've had it for 17, 18 years now, but I think it's gonna work out. This is definitely, if you can catch it on sale or whatever, or if you're needing a cart and you think you don't need one this big, you may as well just go ahead and get the big one now. Be done with it. You got plenty of storage. Keep everything you need in there. Even if you don't need to carry 2 bottles, I mean, it's still, you might one day, you never know. And that's what I thought about doing, is adding another plate on that end, and then I could put my torch bottles on there too, and have everything. But we'll see. Alright guys, this is Richard at Downtown Garage. Just want to give y'all a little review on a new tool, on this new cart that I bought. I knew I hadn't done a video in a while. I got a lot more tools in the mail on the way right now. I'm gonna do that. I finally found my old GoPro. I'm gonna start doing some videos with that and actually using some editing software, because my last few are just straight from my phone to the YouTube. But I'm trying to do some editing and see if I can play with that and make something happen. But alright guys, y'all take it easy.